Hi, this is Lois. Just going to give you a little cabin tour of a Britannia balcony cabin on board Queen Victoria, Cunard. Just come back from 12 nights to the Canary Isles and Madeira aboard her. So, the usual muster information. Didn't have to take your life jacket to muster on Queen Victoria, which was quite good. Ample wardrobe, couldn't think of the word, wardrobe space. I went on this cruise with my parents, so they kind of used the wardrobe space, and I lived out my suitcase, which fitted perfectly under the bed, and it's not a small suitcase. Laundry. My parents send lots of stuff to the laundry on cruises, and they rave and say it's wonderful. Complimentary dressing gowns to use, and slippers as well, and me. So it was a lovely little cabin. The only thing was it was really hot. I don't know if it's the age range on board that it was really hot, but we turned our aircon down and it was still hot. But it was all right, we weren't in there much. Some information on the bed. Everything is very similar to P&O's, specifically Britannia sort of balconies, but just a little bit more refined, like the lights were nice, the art was different. That luggage mat on the bed was branded, the pillows are branded. Everything just a tiny bit more refined, really. Complimentary sparkling wine for everyone. I think it's supposed to be a half bottle, but we seem to have a full. Lots of plugs, international and British. So bring your adapters if you want some more space. There's me again. TV on the wall, just like Britannia, really. Nice lights, lots of lights. Good use of mirrors to make the room seem bigger. Tea and coffee making facilities. I think I'm going down to the minibar. Yep, the minibar. Quite expensive. Didn't use anything at the minibar, but if you've got onboard credit, it's nice to treat yourself. So, the Southampton view outside. Oh, a safety sticker on the window. Be careful of strong winds. Out we go. So, yeah, it was a nice little cabin size, really, for 3 people. We had a bit of a rota for the bathroom in the morning, and my sofa bed was really comfortable, like, very comfortable for a sofa bed. There's the bridge. Would you like a bridge view? Bit sad like that, especially at port. All the little yachts out in Southampton. Looks like the sun was trying to get through, didn't quite manage it. I'm practicing my sweeping shots because I tend to go a bit too fast, like you'll see in a minute. I zoom back to start. There we are. Back up to the ship and the bridge. So, back inside. Oh, the balcony furniture is the same as P&O, really. Nice, comfortable recliner seats and a small table. Lots of room under the bed on the ship. My suitcase and my mother's fitted under the bed. Then my dad emptied his and put it in the wardrobe. So the bathroom was quite small, but sufficient. The bathroom also got really hot, just like the cabin. And the shower had a bit of a mind of its own. Hot then cold, but it was fine. For 12 nights, you can't complain. Lots of nice freebies. I can never say it. Penhaligon's. We've got the 2 Royal Charters, quite posh, well known. Smelt really nice. Extra little touches like cotton wool. Useful because I forgot my makeup removing wipes. Nice deep sink to fill up my water bottle. Yeah, a nice cabin.